All right, y'all, we're back with another one. It's a big box, so you ain't gonna be able to see this one. Another mystery box. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Luckily I didn't cut too kind of big. I didn't do it too hard, luckily. Oh yeah. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see that? That Jordan right there. That Larry Bird. Jeez. All right. Let's put that on the side. And we got another one. You don't know who that legend is right there. It's that Dan Marino. And the other side. Ooh. Jets. Yes, we got it. See what else we got up in here, right? Ooh. Fire. You can't tell me that ain't tight. Hey! Look at that. Anthony Edwards. That's clean. Pretty much it for that box. Alright. Go ahead and slap this back up in there. Slap it back in the box. Is there anything in here? I don't think so. Nope. Nothing in here. Some nice display pieces. Alright. Put that to the side. Let's go on with this other one. First, let's put these back up in here. That's clean though. You can't tell me that ain't clean. Alright. Now we on to the next one. We on to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got here. We got some old baseball cards. Dondres. What year is these again? Let's see. These was 1989. This one, not for sure. Y'all let me know what year this is. I don't see the date. Should say a date on there, but this is 89, 89, 89, 99, no, 1990. 1990. Yeah. So I got those in there. Let's see what else we got up in here. Some more packs. They look like soccer. Yeah, that's soccer. With some cards behind it. I'm about to open that up in a minute. That's clean. Yeah, that's clean right there. That's number 175. Is this one numbered? Yeah, it is. I can't see the date on number on there. $26? Oh no. Oh, it's right there. 99. Another firebox. I hate when they put the stickers right in front of it. Bang. Yeah. Is he any good? The Blue Jays, huh? Look like a rookie card. Not sure. Alright, let's see what's in this though. Since we already know what, well, we don't know what year it is, but it's definitely an old pack. I know that for sure. Should say a date on here, huh? I don't see it. Oh, I see a date right there. 89. 89 Dondras. And these are 89 tops with the gum. That's crazy. That's straight old school for real. These are 90, don't have no gum. But they're Fleer though, so it might be a little different. Let's see what this is though. See what year this is. Let's see if we can see a date on here. Hey, stop snoring, boy. I can't see a date on this one. But yeah, that's soccer though. Y'all tell me what date it is. I don't know. All right. So we got this dude right here. Y'all let me know if he's any good. And we got this dude. Are these numbered? No. I don't see no number on them. But the other two is. Alright. Let's open another package. Let's first put this up before I won't get confused. Let's put these in here. see what's going on. Oh, that's taking too long. It's just sitting in there. Taking way too long. Alright, y'all. That's it for this box. Pull out another one. Since we still recording. Yeah. Let's open this one. I don't want to show my address, but yeah. Let's see if we can just, yeah. Zip it a little bit. Oh, shoot. Look like some fire. Look like some fire. Alright. Ooh. Patrick Mahomes, boy. That's a nice one. Let's pull this one out. 2023. Show the card off a little bit, right? Is it numbered? Yep, 50. Wow. Low number. That's crazy. All right, we're finna show this other one. We finna show this other one. See what we got here. Bam. Ooh, can't tell me that ain't tight. That block Purdy. Rookie. Fire, boy. That's fire right there. That is fire. I wonder if this card is an error card. Is this supposed to have one leg missing? I wonder. Y'all let me know. Yeah, this is here. 2022. That Black Birdie. From the 49ers. Straight fire. Who y'all think better? Patrick Mahomes or Black Purdy? Y'all let me know. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm gonna cut it short, man, and catch y'all later. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, do it all. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't cost you anything to like and subscribe. Show some love. Peace, y'all.